To compare Awardwallet link credit card options. Start by understanding what Awardwallet is. Awardwallet is a free service that helps you track your loyalty program balances, including credit card points and miles. First, gather all your credit card information, including account numbers, usernames, and passwords. Then, go to the Awardwallet website and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Next, navigate to the Add Account section and select the type of account you want to link. In this case, a credit card. Choose your credit card issuer from the list of available options and enter your login credentials. Awardwallet will then connect to your credit card account and retrieve your current balance and transaction history. Repeat this process for each of your credit cards to link them all to your Awardwallet account. Now that your credit cards are linked, you can compare them side by side. Look at the current balances, rewards earnings, and any upcoming expiration dates. Use this information to determine which credit cards are earning the most rewards and which ones you should use for your everyday purchases. You can also use Awardwallet to track your credit card spending and stay on top of your finances. Set up alerts and notifications to inform you when a payment is due or when a rewards balance is about to expire. To get the most out of Awardwallet, make sure to regularly update your account information and link any new credit cards you open. This will ensure that you have a complete picture of your credit card portfolio and can make informed decisions about which cards to use and when. By following these steps, you can easily compare your Awardwallet linked credit cards and maximize your rewards earnings. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and take advantage of the tools and features offered by Awardwallet to optimize your credit card strategy.